from a tiny watermelon seed to a giant fruit. This is nature's quiet transformation. Beneath the soil, the seed absorbs moisture and awakens, sending a root downward to anchor and gather nutrients. A delicate shoot rises upwards, breaking through the surface into the light. Leaves unfold, capturing sunlight to fuel steady growth. The plant expands, strengthening both its roots and vines. Soon, bright yellow flowers bloom, signaling the next stage. From these blossoms, a small watermelon begins to form, gradually swelling and ripening. Over time, it grows into a full watermelon, ready to be harvested and enjoyed.